In this tutorial regarding Broadsheet, we want to go through how to promote students using nersapp. In this new version, a whole lot have changed, and we need to show you how to do that effectively on this platform. To promote students, after selecting your term and class, and let's assume you want to do promotion, you are doing it for subjects. You can use subject, you can use behavior, you can use skills, you can use attendance, you can use any of these grades. You can also use any of the term. But take note, promotion in nersapp can be done once per session. If you do it at a particular term, say second term or third term or any term at all that you choose to do it, you will not be able to do it again for the rest of the terms in that session. So let's assume we are doing this on this term here called first. After that, we load our record. When we load our record, we pay attention to the status marking by each of the students. You can see here, by default, when you generate results, they all passed. Even if someone scores 0, the report will be showing pass. It's left for the school and the management to use the Broadsheet section to give the actual promotion. There are two ways you can flag a student. You can flag them by simply giving them a status of pass or fail, or during promotional term, like in this case that we're trying to give an example, you can either promote them, graduate them, or repeat them. So in this case now, we're going to show you how to do promotion when you are in your promotional term. After loading this information, the next thing you do is go by the side. You'll see different information regarding the promotion. By default, they're all in the pass status here. They can also be changed into fail status. To be able to do promotion, in this case here, beyond the fact that you can do it once in a term, the system will demand that these reports are not locked before you can do this. If these reports are locked, for instance, we go to another report for this class and log this report, click save, and get back to our Broadsheet and load it here. If you look at it, it has been locked, meaning that we cannot do promotion. Why? Because we locked it in our final report for this class. So anytime you're trying to do promotion or you are in your promotional term, you ensure that you do not lock the report card first. Do the promotion. When you're done, you can go back and lock the report card. So we're going to unlock it, save, and get back to our Broadsheet. So after loading this, let's start doing promotion. If the students are much, you can use the button below to switch them from one promotional state to the other. Since we are considering doing promotion in this case, we will be dealing with single promotion, double promotion, or graduating students or repeating students. The pass and the fail is used for non-promotional term, because it's possible that in a normal term that is not a promotional term, a student can fail. So instead of just leaving him or her to have the record of pass in their report, you can actually choose fail. But in this case, that is not our concern. So let's assume we are trying to promote students once, or maybe one of them is single promote, one of them will get double promotion, and the other would have to fail. If this is our settings, we're ready. We go to the top and click Save Status. When you click Save Status, a dialog box like this will pop and you get so many information. One of it is very important as a reminder that note, single promote, double promote, or repeat status can only be applied once per session, regardless of the term. So this is very important, and you need to know when to use the promotional feature. As you can see, these are the different statuses. Concern is promotion. So to promote single promote, you can see one up arrow there is 1. For double promote is 2. There are no students to graduate yet in this case. Then repeating, we have 1. So for single promote, because you want to promote them to the next class, for those that will be singly promoted, you have to come here and pick their next class. Assuming they were all in this case, this was nursery 1, but now we want to promote them, say, to primary 1, or say a different higher class. But these are the higher classes so far. You can see nursery classes are not here because there are no higher classes beyond this. So we pick let's assume primary 1. That's just one promotion. For those that will be promoted twice, that is double promotion, we go below here and pick the classes for which they will learn. In this case, let's say primary 2. After doing that, we simply click update changes. That way, your system will promote the students. Now, promotion will not move until when you switch from this term to the next term. Once you switch to this next term, the system will automatically do the promotion internally, and that way you cannot change the action again. At this level, if you've done promotion and there was a mistake in your work, you can still cancel it. All you need to simply do is go back to your final report, load the class. When you're done, you delete it from here, and the promotion information will cancel out. That is how to undo your promotion. After you delete this report, you can regenerate it again in the report generation section found here. So after the promotion thing you're done here, you have the liberty to also print this report in case you want to print it via a browser. In terms of printing it, based on the layout that was used for this class, the report will show up the way you're seeing it right now. You can see, based on the layout, it shows that there is room to print out a subject broadsheet here, behavior broadsheet, skills broadsheet, and attendance broadsheet. Take note, this design is in your hand, so you can choose or design or pick what design will be useful for your broadsheet view.